Tell me, have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to flip a balisong, but due to crappy laws you couldn't? You can't carry a balisong, you can't own a balisong, but you wanted to enjoy the flip? Well, here's your chance. Get yourself a SOG Paralock multi-tool with the what's this called? I forgot what
Power lock, isn't it?
it's the Paralock, but I forgot what the gears are called.
Oh, compound something.
Compound leverage.
Compound leverage.
Yeah. So, yeah, there goes my good sales bit. But yes, these are relatively loose. And not only does this give you better grip with the multi-tool, but it also has a very fun byproduct. You too can get your balisong flip on. I'm a Soxy 5 and I'm out.